Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about search fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about ChatGPT. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your